Turn Chat GPT into a product creation machine. If you want to find out a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula, and here at Product Creation Formula we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Now, if you've been offline for a couple of months now, you may be wondering what Chat GPT is. Chat GPT is an AI content creator that is capable of generating high quality content based on your input. With Chat GPT, you can quickly and easily create written content for your online course, including video scripts, blog posts, and more. So, how do you get started with Chat GPT? First, you'll need to sign up for an account at openai.com. Once you've created an account, you'll be able to access Chat GPT's interface. To create content for your online course using Chat GPT, you'll need to provide some input. This can include a topic or some keywords related to your course. Chat GPT will then use its advanced algorithm to generate a high quality script that you can use as a basis for your course content. One of the great things about Chat GPT is that it can help you come up with some fantastic new ideas for your online course. If you're stuck on what to include in your course, or are looking for a fresh perspective, Chat GPT can help. Simply input some keywords or topics related to your course, and Chat GPT will generate a variety of ideas and suggestions based on those inputs. These ideas can include new topics to cover, unique angles to explore, and fresh insights to consider. With Chat GPT's help, you can ensure that your course is comprehensive, informative, and engaging. And because Chat GPT is an AI-powered content generator, it can quickly generate a large number of ideas, giving you plenty of material to work with. So, if you're struggling with what to include in your online course, give Chat GPT a try. It just might help you come up with the perfect topic, angle, or perspective to make your course stand out. But what if you already have existing content in the form of PLR that you want to use? Let's speak about 𝗬𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗹𝗯. 𝗬𝗂𝗶 is a powerful content rewriting tool that can help you turn PLR into unique and original content that is perfect for your online course. While PLR content can be a time-saving option, it is important to note that it may not be unique and can often lack the personal touch that makes your course stand out. And that's where 𝗬𝗂𝗶𝗹 comes in. 𝗬𝗂𝗶𝗹's advanced algorithm can rephrase, restructure sentences and paragraphs, making them more engaging and easier to read. It can also help you avoid plagiarism by ensuring that the content you use is original and not copied from other sources. Once you've edited your PLR content using 𝗬𝗂𝗶𝗹, you can then use Chat GPT to turn it into a video script. With Chat GPT, you can input the edited PLR content, along with any additional keywords or topics related to your course, and generate a script that's tailored to your specific needs. With Chat GPT, you can create scripts that are engaging, informative, and tailored to your specific course topic. It can also create content that captures the attention of your audience. Chat GPT's AI can also suggest additional topics and ideas to include in your script, ensuring that your course is comprehensive and informative. Overall, 𝗬𝗂𝗶𝗹 and Chat GPT can be a powerful combination for creating high quality and original content for your online course. But what about voiceovers for your video course? That's where 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 comes in. �11Labs is an AI-powered voiceover tool that can create human-sounding voiceovers that are perfect for your online course. It also gives inflections in the voice, which makes it sound more human than most other AI text-to-speech generators. With �11Labs, you can create a voiceover that is professional, engaging, and easy to listen to. And once you've created your voiceover, you can simply add it to your video course using 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗂𝗯🐬 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗓 is a powerful video creation tool that can help you bring your online course to life. With 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗓, you can create high-quality video content that is engaging and informative. In fact, most of this video was created using 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗓. You can copy and paste the video script that Chat GPT has created, and you can also upload �11Labs voiceovers easily to create video content that's both high quality and professional. Website sales copy. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for creating website sales copy that can help encourage sales and almost ensure the success of your online course. ChatGPT uses various copywriting techniques like 𝗬𝗂𝗓 and 𝗏𝗏𝗏 to create sales copy that captures the attention of your target audience and convinces them to take action. 𝗬𝗓 stands for attention, interest, desire, and action, and is a commonly used copywriting formula. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 stands for problem, agitate, solution, and summary, and is another effective copywriting technique. By inputting information about your course, target audience, and goals, ChatGPT can generate a sales copy that speaks directly to your audience needs and wants. This can help improve conversions and ensure the success of your online course. Once you've generated your sales copy using ChatGPT, you can copy and paste it into your website to help encourage sales. By creating copy that is engaging, informative, and persuasive, you can help convince your audience that your course is the right choice for them. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating website sales copy that can help improve conversions and ensure the success of your online course. A good sales copywriter can cost you thousands of dollars per sales copy. That means that ChatGPT can help save you thousands of dollars by creating high-quality, engaging copy that speaks directly to your audience's needs and wants. Whether you're looking to come up with new ideas, write video scripts, or create website sales copy, ChatGPT can help you save time, money, and effort. It does this all while making sure that your content is engaging, informative, and tailored to your specific needs. With 𝗬𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏, you can edit PLR content and make it unique and original. �11Labs can help you create human-sounding voiceovers to add a professional touch to your video course. And when you include ChatGPT's script, �11Labs voiceover into 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗏, you can make sure that your video is high quality and professional. So, if you're looking to create a successful online course, be sure to give ChatGPT, 𝗬𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, �11Labs, and 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗏 a try. I'll leave some links in the description down below. Now, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below. I love answering comments. Now, just to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.